What's going on, guys? So I want to set the table straight and kind of get you familiar with what you're going to be getting yourself into when you get started in this Amazon FBA journey. So what are you really getting yourself into? Well, Amazon is a behemoth, a giant, and they're not going anywhere. In fact, e-commerce as a whole, e-commerce as an industry is the industry that you want to be in from my standpoint. It grows by a couple percentage points each and every year. It's forecasted to continue on that positive growth trend for years and years to come. More and more, the traditional type of transaction of physical retail locations is being shifted over to e commerce platforms, and most in particular, Amazon. So, let's just take a look at the first sentence of the first paragraph here. I think you will find this pretty amazing. So, Amazon accounts for nearly half of all online retail sales in the United States. Amazon accounts for 50% of all online retail sales in the United States, which is absolutely ridiculous. So, all the other platforms combined, like eBay, Walmart, Jet, Target, Etsy, you name it, right? Amazon is just one platform alone accounts for 50%. So, in other words, they generate such massive amounts of traffic. One singular platform is able to generate such massive amounts of traffic that they account for almost half the sales in the entire USA, online that is. And why is this so amazing? Well, it's so amazing because it provides us with such an amazing opportunity. Like we are so lucky that Amazon allows us the opportunity to be FBA sellers. And by the way, it's a symbiotic relationship because us third-party Amazon FBA sellers account for almost 50% of the sales that occur on Amazon.com. So roughly 50% of the sales that happen on Amazon.com are actually from people like us and not large brands, not the huge brands like Nike and Adidas. So they love us too, but they only love the good private label sellers, okay? We'll get into more of what makes you a good seller in later videos, but again, they want you here. We want us there. We want to be there ourselves, and we just need we are able to ride this amazing wave that is Amazon. Amazon, even at their ridiculous scale, doing billions of dollars each and every year, okay, they are still growing by an average of 15 to 20% each year, which is absolutely unheard of for a company of their scale. If another company, an average company of Amazon's scale, were to just grow by a 1% each year, that would be an absolutely amazing accomplishment for that company. They would be throwing all sorts of yacht parties and, you know, having a great time, buying islands and all that stuff. Jeff Bezos has other things in mind. Jeff Bezos is past, he's beyond making money. He doesn't care about money anymore. He wants to take over the world. And luckily that's a good thing for us because we get to piggyback off of his ridiculous growth and aggressive mindset and just sort of ride the wave along with him, right? They generate such mass amounts of traffic. They're constantly dipping their feet into different industries. If you keep up with any of this stuff, you'll know that they bought Whole Foods. They're getting into the grocery category. They are opening up actual physical locations, stores where you can go in and like shop in an automated manner. It's just one thing after the other with Amazon. It's just a company that you want to be affiliated with if you want to do any sort of business online. That's my opinion. I think this is the best business you can possibly start in 2018 if you're trying to find a stable, amazing, no ceiling online income, right? It's infinitely scalable, this business. That's why it's so incredible. And you can make money while you sleep, right? Because we get to leverage Amazon's massive amount of traffic. And that's just, I wanted to paint the picture why this is such a good opportunity. This is the place you want to be. E-commerce is the industry you want to be in, number one. Amazon is the giant of the e-commerce industry. So they kind of just go hand in hand as far as I'm concerned. Hope you're getting pumped up. This is amazing stuff. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.